So that was a cold start video, but I don't know, it's too cold for my phone. It keeps shutting off. -6 degrees. I'm in the hot tune. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Holy shit, it's fucking cold out. I'm gonna stop this for a sec. Maybe I have to do. Oh, here we go. Elevator, let it go. Yeah, buddy. Let the cheese begin. Oh yeah, she fucking rolling. Oh, hot tune, fucking smoking like that. Oh, what a nice fucking truck. Love this thing. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna let it run for a bit. It's way too cold out here. Holy shit.